Show Place Rent to Own, and I want to show you how to replace a LCD screen on a laptop. The best way to do this is make sure there are no holes in the bottoms or tops. That's where the screws would be located. If there are holes here, make sure you pop out the little covers and then remove the Phillips head screws that hold the LCD in place. This one does not have it, therefore it's only held in by little plastic pins. So what you want to do is you want to grab underneath the screen here and just pull out, pops right out of there to expose the actual screen. Can be tricky at times. And then down underneath here, you'll notice that this hinge is actually attached to this cover. So you want to take your screwdriver and you want to pry in there and pull it out. Okay, now that we have the cover taken off, now we are seeing the LCD screen here. Notice there's two screws at the very top here. We want to take those screws out. And what we are trying to do is we are trying to get to the side of the actual laptop here. And notice on the side here is where the screws will be located that holds the LCD screen in place. Out of the little holders here, notice there's a ribbon on the very bottom here, and it's held in with this plastic tape here on the sides here. You just pry the tape off, not all the way off, just enough to reveal the ribbon here by pulling it back, and this just pops right out. And then you insert in your replacement screen, and then reverse the removal process for the installation. You just pop that ribbon right in, firmly seals in though, and then push the tape down to keep it in place. And then we're going to reattach this into the holders here. This one's a little different, doesn't have the screws on the side, just the screws on the bottom and on the top. Alright, and then all you do is put the bezel back in place here, and it snaps right back into place, all the way across the top and the sides and the bottom. And that is how you change the LCD screen. Okay, and that is how you replace a screen on a laptop. I hope this helps you in future repairs and hope you save you some money in the process. And this is another reason why there's no place like Show Place.